Hi, I'm Sai Pranith, and our product title name is E-commerce Management System. Next slide, please. And our team members are Venkat Nagsai, Anirudh Buddhapuri, and Mansa, and Sainath and Venkat Bhaskar. Next slide, please. And the contents in this PPT is project analysis, alternate solution analysis, project design, development, integration and testing, implementation, and final evaluation, future work, and conclusion. Next slide, please. And I'm going to explain the project analysis. Next slide, please. Introduction. This e-commerce is a term that refers to the process of buying and selling products or services online. This digital platform has transformed the way business operate by allowing them to reach a worldwide customer base and conduct transactions around the clock without requiring a physical store. And also, our e-commerce website is an online platform that enables buyers and sellers to engage in digital transactions. These sites can vary in size and complexity, from small scale online stores to run by individuals to massive marketplaces like Amazon or Alibaba. And next slide, please. Objective. This will be explained by our teammate Sainath.
Our main objective is to simplify the process of buying and selling of the goods and services through online, that to through online like website or mobile app. By utilizing the e-commerce and business, we can expand their reach and minimize the expenses related to the brick and mortar retail, which enhances the customer satisfaction and gain valuable knowledge about the consumer behavior to improve their marketing approach. The primary goal of the e-commerce website is that to offer the customers a hassle-free and efficient online experience while also generating profits for the business. So what are our functionals and non-functionals requirement is that functionals requirement is that registering the customer, checking the available shops, checking the articles in the blog, checking the contact in the dashboard. This includes of the functional requirements of the our project. And non-functional requirements, which includes of users must promptly change the default password after the first successful login, and also program needs to be portable, and an audit trail must be recorded each time after every user tries unsuccessfully to access a particular piece of data. And also the next slide please. And the main software development life cycle is a structured structured approach of developing software application, which involves of series of stages including like implementation, testing and maintenance, which aims to ensure the software projects which are completely in a timely and efficient manner, and which are error free while staying within the budget. Okay, by following the SDLC, like SDLC software development life cycle methodology, developers can achieve optimal results in software development, which includes of designing the project. And the designing of the project will be explained by our teammate Manasa.
Hello guys, today I'm going to explain the project design or project design. Next slide please. Here I'm going to explain our block diagram. First we are creating an EC2 first we are launching an EC2 instance, and then we are editing inbound inbound list of security groups, and then we are creating SSH group in that security group, and then we are going to activate MySQL RDS, and then we are going to add MySQL Aurora, and then we establish MySQL connection to the server, and then we are going to test the application of the RDS, and then we use by using RDS we are going to configuration the deployment, and then we deploy the application. Next slide, please. By using our project, we can by using our project it can launch in any operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac. uh, by in Windows, we used to install Python 3.7 or PIP or Django. Next slide, please. uh, the tools and technologies we have used in our project. We have used two types of software in our e-commerce, mainly MySQL Workbench and Visual Studio Code. And we have used four types of languages in our project. Python, in that Python, we have used the Django framework, and then HTML, by using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, we have created the e-commerce website. Next. From now onwards, my friend Anirudh will explain.
Now I'm going to introduce the four modules which are crucial for e-commerce ecosystem. The number one is product catalog module. The catalog module serves as the heart of the e-commerce platform, containing the product database, descriptions, prices, images, and other relevant information which are required for the user. And we are going to develop a user-friendly and easy to navigate catalog, which is essential for providing a seamless shopping experience for the end user. Next module is shopping cart module. The module is used to enable the users to add items, update their cart, and proceed to checkout. It calculates the total cost of the order, including shipping and taxes. After that, user-friendly cart is critical for a smooth and efficient transaction process. Then we'll be discussing about the payment gateway module. The payment gateway module ensures secure online payment by integrating various payment methods such as credit card, debit cards, PayPal, and other similar payment options, providing user a secure and diverse payment experience, which is important for building trust with the customers. Next, we'll be discussing about order management module. The order management module handles the entire processing lifecycle from confirmation to tracking and order history. It provides timely notifications to the users about the status of their orders, and also it is an efficient order management system which is a key to delivering a transparent and reliable service. Next slide, please. Next and next three key modules are customer management module. Customer management ensures a seamless user experience, handling user account information, registration, login, profile management, and order history. It also provides us a personalized recommendation and offers based on users' purchase history and by increasing the customer loyalty. Next module is content management module. Content management oversees the site's content, managing product descriptions, reviews, blogs, and other relevant information. And it incorporates SEO features to improve the site visibility in search engines, ensuring a dynamic and engaging platform. Here we need to notice that we have also used search engine optimization for the optimizing the page to get the when users search the page, then our page need to be highlighted first. Then next module we are going to discuss is marketing and promotions module. And marketing and promotions is a powerhouse for driving business. Managing marketing campaigns, discounts, coupons, and loyalty programs is important for any business. It integrates email marketing and social media features, amplifying the site visibility and attracting a broader customer base. And the synergy between e-commerce, SDLC, and then seven integral modules are customer management, customer content management, marketing and promotions, product catalog, shopping cart, payment gateway, and order management forms the backbone of successful online platform. As we navigate through this ever-evolving landscape, understanding the implementation of these concepts are crucial for creating an exceptional and competitive e-commerce experience. Next slide, please. Yeah, for the as a cloud develop engineer, I next we will be discussing what are the development techniques I used in this for the development of the e-commerce site. Next slide. Yeah, for the cloud server, we have used Amazon Web servers, which can be going with a pay-as-you-go model, and we have electric load balancers and RDS, and so many filters we can use for to host a website in Amazon Web Server. First, we need to create an EC2 instance, which is Elastic Cloud Compute, which is primary source to land to to load the data in the website. In this, we have used Ubuntu. As my team name is Mavericks, we have given the server name as Mavericks. Next slide, please. After that, we have developed a key pair, which is important SSH connection while we are trying to connect with the EC2, and we can see that we have given a name as Mavericks, and then we have created a key pair which in later used for SSH connections. Next slide. Yeah, after that we have successfully created the instance. Next slide. Yeah, we can see that EC2 instance is created and it is pending to start, pending to get run. Next slide. Yeah, after that we have to provide inbound rules for connections from the servers, and we need to give a HTTPS TCP 80 inbound rule to get the connection from anywhere, which in return we can do for connecting to the web page. Yeah, after that rules are updated so that we can be accessed. Next slide. Yeah, after creating this, we have tried to upload the web server, and we have also find the errors which we later solved in this. Next slide. And next, on the connections which we have taken is RDS connection, and it will be explained by my friend Venkat Nagasai.
We have created a RDX connection, and we have choosing a database easy create, and then we have given the configuration as MySQL. By using MySQL, we have creating our database. Next slide, please. And then we can see here we have given our database as a database one, and then we have launching our instance. Next slide, please. Here we can see our database is successfully created. Next slide, please. And then here we have giving inbound rules as a type, protocol, and a port range and source as a custom TCP, MySQL, all traffic, and then we are giving specific types. Next slide, please. Here we can see our inbound security groups are successfully modified to our customs. Uh, Next slide, please. Here we have giving additional configuration as a publicly accessible, and then we have giving authentication for our database as a password authentication, which will be secured. Next slide, please. And then we are creating a connection as a Mavericks underscore DCC, and then we are creating connection method as a standard TCP or IP method, and then we are going to launch our connection. Next slide, please. And then here we can see our MySQL workbench has successfully made our MySQL connection. Next slide, please. And then here we can see our settings as our application of e-commerce has successfully created, and our database has successfully created, and we have given our password validations by using Python Django framework. Next slide, please. Here we are creating queries as we are creating some of the tables and by using SQL queries. And here we are creating a ecom product and ecom orders. In that we are creating a ID, name, product image, price, description. Next slide, please. And then we have created another table as a ecom orders. In that we have created instances inputs as email, address, mobile, and order date, status, and customer ID and product ID. Next slide, please. And then at the end we have creating customer tables as inputs as a profile pic, address, mobile, user ID. Next slide, please. And then we have creating another tables as Django migrations, and we have creating tables as odd user. In that we have creating inputs as a session data, expire data, like that. And we have created several types of inputs. It runs in the MySQL. Next slide, please. Here onwards, my friend will continue.
Hi, I'm here to explain the security groups. Security groups are pivotal in e-commerce systems within distributed cloud computing. Services are vital powerful to control inbound and outbound traffics. They facilitate access control, enforcing the principles of necessary permissions of each component. These um, these facilitates access control efficient the principles of least prevalence by allowing only necessary permissions for each component. These groups enable segmentation, security, like critical areas like database and payments gateways, and contribute to dynamic scrolling by adjusting rules for new instances through logins and monitoring. They aid in identifying security issues, supporting efficient incident responses. Security groups also play a role in efficiency encrypting standards, ensuring the secure transmission of sensitive data within the system. Moreover, they contribute the complementation with regularity and standards and helps maintain a security environment for APIs handling customer information and financial transfers. From here on, my friend Sainath will continue.
Yeah, hi guys. Our main implementation. I'll be talking about the implementation, which includes of like our first plan is includes of website architecture, design, and layout, which includes of identifying the necessary features such as payment gateways, customer tools, shopping cart functionality, and product listings. Once the planning is done, our next step is to choose an appropriate e-commerce platform that based on website's budget and requirements. After the platform selection, the development phase begins, where the website user's interface is designed and the website functionality is coded and the platform is integrated with the payment gateways and the shipping providers, which includes the code of like what we see is before launching the website through testing is essential to identify and uh, resolve any bugs or errors or issues, which including functional usability, performance, security, and testing. And the next step is to set up the website hosting, configure the domain name, and make the website publicly available. And finally, after the websites is launched, it's vital to maintain and update it regularly by managing product listings, updating the website design and functionality, optimizing website performance, and ensuring website security. So here's the code, which includes of our layout design and the final process of the payment gateways. This includes of the code. And next slides will be continued by teammates.
So I'm going to explain about the execution. So in project, execution plays a very important role in project management lifecycle. So the project execution ensures that the project strategy and the object is up to the point of the customers and the service providers. The project execution phase is the most difficult and time consuming stage in the project development life cycle. If the project execution is not done correctly, it will implement the whole project. So we have to make sure that the execution is done correctly, and it could be that there is no errors in the code, so that whenever the users uses the particular e-commerce website, the users feel it very convenience to use that website. And in here we are going to use many commands like list directories, cd for changing the directories, and we have installed many python packages for executing our e-commerce website. And when we are executing a particular code, we have to make sure that our project satisfies the user requirements. And we have to make sure that there is no errors, and if there are errors, we have to make sure that we have imported the particular libraries related to that errors, so that we can get rid of errors very soon. Now my friend Sai Pranit will continue.
Thank you, Mansa. In this, I have done the testing, and as you can see, our website is created, and this is the first page, customer sign up. Here we can sign up by using our first name, last name, username, password, and everything. Next slide, please. Once we have entered all the data, we have to click on the create button. Like I have given my name and the password and everything, and address and mobile number as well. Next slide, please. And I have signed up, and now there is option for login, and by using the username and password that I have given, I can log in now. Next slide, please. See, I am entering my username and password that I have given before while signing up. Next slide, please. And we have successfully logged in using our username and password. As you can see, here's the e-commerce website we have created. There is an options like the cart and the products. If we add the more products, you can see it here. Next slide, please. And this is the profile that I have created, my profile. And there is also option given for editing profile. Next slide, please. Here, once we place the order, here you can see to track the orders, and it is given the message, thank you for ordering, and with my name. And once if we add the any items in the cart, it will be shown here, the total items, and also there is an option to purchase the items. If there is no products, it will give the message first add product in cart. And there is also an option given for the feedback and by entering the name and all. Here I have entered the name, and also I have given the feedback, and once I click the send feedback, it will give the message your feedback sent successfully. Here again, we can also give our name and email and message if you want to send the message. Next slide, please. This is the message I have given. Like, I don't create companies when, like, we can change it to whatever we want. Next slide, please. After clicking the logout button, it will be shown like this. You have successfully logged out. And our next slide will be explained by my friend Bhaskar.
Thank you, Pranit. I am going to explain implementation. The first step in the implementation is to plan the website's architecture, design, layout, identifying the necessary features such as payment gateways, customer services tools, shopping cart functionalities, and products listings. Once the planning is completed, the next step is to choose an appropriate e-commerce platform based on a website's budget and requirements. After the platform selection, the development phase begins, where the website user's interface is designed. The website's function is coded and the platform is integrated with payment gateways and shipping providers. Next slide, please. Before launching the website through testing is essential to identify and resolve any bugs, errors, or issues, including functional usability, performance, and security testing. The next step is to set up the website's hosting, configure and domain name, and make the website publicly available. Finally, after the website's launch, it's virtual to maintain and update its regular by maintaining product listings, updates, and website design and functionality, optimizing website performance and ensuring website security. Next slide, please. Here we here we have used our HTML to design our sites, like header and everything else. Here we have used like option title as a Mavericks, and in our body we have specified some requirements, user and everything. Next slide, please. Here we have used to the maintain the borders and everything, measures for boundary radius like 1.5 and everything, like width, customer ID. Here the class example, we use the links for customer booking products and everything, and send user details. After getting logged in customers, we have to send the user details. Next slide, please. And the market here updates, and here we use classes to solve the, we have given the name, image, price, description, remove from carts and everything, options to remove the, and we have used class rows. Now social traffics and everything. Next slide, please. Customer sign in options like methods, post. Next slide, please. Here we have used download. For downloading this, we have used the images like 20 pixel, 1 pixel, or for specifying the pixels for images. Next slide, please. Here we have used like given options for editing the profile, like given number of rows and everything. Next slide, please. If feedback from the customers, we have to take feedback from the customers, so we have provided options like feedback and extra. Next slide, please. We have used footer HTML for designing the list stages. Next slide, please. From here onwards, my friend Manasa will continue.
I'm going to explain about the pros and the cons of the e-commerce website, that is global reach. It can be accessed by anyone in anyone wherever they can be access this website very easily. Convenience, without going to the store directly, they can easily access the website through the internet. Cost effective, even the store owners or the people who are using who want this to store this to establish, they won't have to invest so much on the products like physical store funds, reducing costs associated with rents, and increase customer insight. It is more flexible for the customers as it is more convenient to use the e-commerce website at any time. And the improved customer experience. This e-commerce website provide customers with personalized shopping experience, making it easy to browse products, make purchase, and track orders. 24/7 availability. E-commerce website is available 24/7. Scalability, and the products in the e-commerce website can be go up and can be go down based on the user requirements. And the cons of this e-commerce website is that the cyber security issues arise when we are ordering something through the online custom, and the main problem is that the user data privacy may sometimes be used in illegal way, and that it takes some time to make some transactions, and it is highly competitive market. Business must innovative and adapt continually to stay ahead of other competitors. Next slide will be explained by Pranit.
Thank you, Mansa. And the future works that we have planned for this project is the personalized shopping experience that's catered to customers' individual preferences, a mobile-first approach that prioritizes user experience on mobile devices, and increased use of artificial intelligence for chatbots, voice assistants, and image recognition. And also, we are planning to use the augmented reality will enable customers to virtually try on products and see how they would look in their homes. And integration with social media platforms will allow for direct shopping from these channels, and voice commerce will grow with the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants. And next slide, please. And also the sustainability will become a priority for this, like with eco-friendly products and packaging and ethical sourcing. And also we are about to plan using the blockchain technology, which will provide secure transactions and reduce the risk of fraud. Subscription-based models will become more popular with recurring deliveries of products. And the conclusion for this project is the emergence of e-commerce web applications have transformed the traditional way of selling goods and services, providing advantages like global outreach, convenience, and cost efficiencies. The future of e-commerce will see trends such as customized user experiences, prioritizing mobile optimization, and using advanced technology like AI and augmented reality. Businesses that focus on enhancing customer experience, sustainability, and innovation will have a higher chance of thriving in the e-commerce industry. Thank you very much.